In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website in 15 minutes. Squarespace Tutorial 2024. Start by opening the Squarespace Create Your Website page and click Get Started. Squarespace guides you through a quick setup. When you see the templates screen, choose the highlighted option to continue. Then pick the education category as our example and hit Next. You'll be asked what you want to do with your website. Open that prompt, select Sell Online Courses, and also Promote a Physical Business, then click Next. Don't worry, you can change these later. They simply tailor your starting layout. On the next screen, choose Let Blueprint AI build you a custom starting point that's ready to make your own. In the text field that appears, type a short site or business name and a one-line description. Keep it concise and avoid any sensitive details. Now choose your brand vibe. Select playful, sophisticated, and friendly to give the AI a balanced direction and press Next. Click Build Your Homepage. When Squarespace offers section suggestions, add a Products section so you can showcase items or digital offerings, and a Services section for bookings or packages. Click Next to proceed through the recommendations. If you see a highlighted confirmation, select it to lock in your choices. When prompted for typography, choose a heading style you like. This sets the tone for headlines across your site. Then click Finish and let Squarespace generate your draft site. In the dashboard, click Set up your website to review helpful checklists. If you plan to sell, click Setup to sell your content, and also start selling services to enable those features. Next, click Edit Site to open the visual editor. On the left, go to Pages, confirm you're on the Website tab, and select Home to open your homepage. Here you can replace placeholder text, swap images, and fine-tune section layouts. Quick tip: keep headlines short, use high-contrast images, and aim for one clear call to action above the fold. When you're happy with the basics, click Publish Your Site. Squarespace will make your draft public at a built-in domain, and you can connect a custom domain anytime. That's it. You've gone from blank canvas to a functional website in minutes, with products and services ready to expand. Continue refining colors, fonts,